Welcome back, book lovers. You're watching Book Vibes, the channel where we explore the magical world of books and discover their transformative power. And today we have an exciting topic for you. Get ready to manifest your dreams with these top books to read in 2023. Are you ready to reach your dream goals? Let's dive in. Our first recommendation is The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. This book is a captivating journey that reveals the secrets to manifesting your desires. Through the power of gratitude and intention, The Magic teaches you how to tap into the abundance of the universe and create the life you've always dreamed of. Get ready to unleash the magic within you. Next on our list is The Universe Has Your Back, Transform Fear to Faith by Gabrielle Bernstein. This book explores the power of surrendering to the universe and trusting in its divine guidance. With practical exercises and inspiring stories, Gabrielle Bernstein teaches you how to shift your perspective from fear to faith, allowing miracles to unfold in your life. Get ready to unleash the infinite possibilities of the universe. Our next recommendation is The Magic of Manifesting, 15 Advanced Techniques to Attract Your Best Life, Even If You Think It's Impossible Now, by Ryu Shinohara. This book takes manifestation to a whole new level with advanced techniques that will help you overcome limiting beliefs and unlock your full potential. Ryu Shinohara's insights and strategies will empower you to create the life you desire, even if it seems impossible right now. Get ready to manifest the extraordinary. Moving forward, we have The Power of Intention, Learning to Co-Create Your World Your Way by Dr. Wayne W. Dyer. This book delves into the profound impact of intention on our lives and shows us how to align our thoughts and actions with our deepest desires. Dr. Wayne W. Dyer teaches us the power of conscious intention and guides us to co-create our reality with the universe. Get ready to harness the power of intention. Last but not least, we have Ask and It Is Given, Learning to Manifest Your Desires by Esther and Jerry Hicks. This book presents a step-by-step process to manifesting your desires and creating a joyful, abundant life. Through the teachings of Abraham, Esther and Jerry Hicks share powerful techniques and exercises that will help you align with your desires and allow them to manifest effortlessly. Get ready to ask, believe, and receive. That wraps up our recommendations for the top manifestation books to read in 2023. Don't miss the opportunity to embark on a transformative journey towards manifesting your dream goals. Open your mind, embrace the power within you, and get ready to manifest your dreams like never before. Thank you for joining us on Book Vibes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring book recommendations, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy manifesting.